Marvin O. Loyalty Award. Yes, Brian Lloyd M. Loyalty Award. Requesting the proud parents to please be on stage and don the medals.
Mag-study lang. Paningkamot lang yun. Those words always came out of our mouths every time na mag-advise or mag-cheer up ta sa other students. Madali lang siya sabihin, pero mahirap talaga. Especially to someone who's not just a student every day. And before I proceed with my speech, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude. To our beloved school head and dedicated admin staff, thank you for your excellent support, ma'am. To the school admin, thank you, ma'am, sir, for granting us the best events. Na tungod ana ng mga events, di lang yun mi na nakakuha og award, but also ang mga naging core memories po namo sa mga classmates and schoolmates. And because of those memories, we spent a lot of time practicing, which is helpful kay mas naging close mi sa mga classmates and have a memorable moment. Like one time is, nakayabog sudan during one of those events, di lang ko musaba kung kinsa to siya. And to our teachers, to our school's principal, Sir TJB Canyo, thank you, sir, for guiding us in outside school activities and for trusting me to present the school and hold its name in every event. And thank you po, sir, for being our tour guide and sa pagpakaon sa mo sa McDo, sir. And sa mga every after event, when kayo ulit, sir, no? And to our teachers, ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Amo na pong second parent sa school. Pero you're not just that, ma'am. You're also our friend, our best friend. And thank you, ma'am, sir, for being friendly sa amo, approachable and kind to us. Na dili lang mo mag-teach sa amo for lessons, mag-teach mo sa amo sa among life and how to be the best sa among And for being understanding, ma'am, nga balag ka ng stress na kayo ni, tagaan mo ninyo time, ma'am, ba, para mas ma-cope na mo ang among mga time and kanang dara pa ng daan, ma'am, yung gi-proof na dili lang mo teacher, kundi parents pud mo sa amo kaya mo yung gipa-felt sa mo nga we are not just a student, we are also your children. Thank you, ma'am. And special mention to Sir Gagard. Sir Gard, kanang I know very underrated kay ka, sir, kay every event dili ka makita, sir, pero thank you, sir, ha, kay kanang for being true to your job, kay balag ka ng class hours, balag wala na yung klase, pero na yung klase, give me mo pag-awsan, sir. And with that, sir, safe kayo sa school, grabe. How is the survey? And to our proud parents and guardians, thank you for being here. Wala mo kabalo, no, pero kanang inyong pagka-present pa lang diri, balag ka nang naamo diri, pinaka-importante na sa mga kay kas-ara gid mi mo graduate. And everyday mo yung eskwela. Pero yung pagka-present diri ka nang wala mo yung trabaho, inyong giuna mi, kana palang daan is very thankful na kayo miyana. Thank you kayo mga parents for being here. And of course, to my fellow graduates, this is it, guys! We're almost to the next page. Like, malapit na natin ma-close ang chapter na puno ng pagod, hirap, iyak, grabe guys. Hapit na tayo mag-college. And also, remember some gingon ganina. Pag-study lang yun, paningkamot lang yun. Di ba sige magkadungog ana? Like, magamay inyong grades, so study lang good. Mga inyong madunggan permit, di ba? But, many for us, those words were never simple. Dali ra ka siya istorya, pero lisod ka siya i-apply. Because for some, being able to ace your academic wasn't just about facing your books, reading paragraphs, pages, and sitting there in your room for hours to memorize topics, or even drinking coffee just to stay up late to review. For some, especially those who don't have the privilege to study 24/7, it wasn't just about focus. It was about survival. It meant thinking about where to go, where to get the next meal, or how to stretch the little money left for the whole week. Or meant studying in between chores, watching over your younger siblings, or even helping in the tindahan, in the fields, or sa kanto just to help the family. Because not all students here have the luxury to say, magtuon sa kuha, ayoko ninyo isturbo ha. Magtuon sa kuha, is ninyo sugua. Di ba, dili man kita tanan natay nga nga privilege. Kay kita, dili ra tayo estudyante. We're also a parent. A father na, ibang diri, di ba? We're also a sibling. Because not all students have the luxury to say magtuon sa ko, when life is already pulling them in every direction. I'm saying this because I don't want you to look down on yourself because isa lang imong medal or even wala kay medal. Guys, please. Dili na siya measurement sa inyong intellect. Dili na siya ngayon nga bubo ka kay wala kay medal. Dili na siya wow, bright kay ka, grabe, pinaka-genius kay ka, dagay kag medal. Dili na siya dira nga basihan. Kaya ako, schoolmate ko ninyo, nakita na ko inyong hardship. Kaya sa itong mga student diri, they are mother, a father, a parent who did not give up, balancing childcare while pursuing their dreams. They're not just the students, but kids who were forced to grow up too soon. Maagang namulat sa realidad. Ngayon, pilit kinakaya ang buhay habang patuloy pa rin nag-aaral. They're not just a student, but the people who went back to pursue their once dead dreams. They might have stopped in the middle, but their age did not stop them from trying again. Nakaundang man sila eskwela, pero from the moment na naa sila karon, pasabot na wala sila ni suko. They may once stop in the middle, di ba? Pero tinaw sila karon, di ba, nakatoga na. Ang pasabot na, they are the best. Kaya naa sila karon sa inyong mga tapad. They're not just a student, but people who carry personal battles that no one knows about. And yet, here they are, wearing their togas, holding a certificate that proves their sacrifices, their hardships, finally paid off. We were not all students with the luxury to lock ourselves in our rooms with treadmills and a stable Wi-Fi. Kaya, tanawin yung mga tapad o giingon. Congrats gang! Balag sige kag post sa imong Facebook, madili mo kaya, na-depressed na kay ka. Tanawa ka na no, di ba? Tapad ninyo, gwapa kayo, wake up, grabe. Wow, graduate na tagang. Pero nakayanan pa rin nato, di ba? Got to the finish line. So no, this diploma isn't just proof that we passed our subjects. This is the proof that we endured, that even when life said, tigil natin, enough na, we answered no, hindi pa. Kaya pa natin. To every student who wanted to give up but didn't. To every student who doubted themselves but showed up anyway. Because we all want our parents and ourselves to be proud of us. Be proud of yourself. Be proud, guys. So, to my classmates and schoolmates, thank you for your laughter and support. The cooperations kanang mag-lead ko nga mag-funded mo sa kuha, grabe. Thank you. Even the quiet support we give each others. And kanang during pre-dev, I realized no, kanang yung mga ingon sa each other na to. Ako na-realize nga, kita naman gid ang nagtinabangay. And with that, gabi, hapon yung kaugalingon, guys. And to my very best friends, na I don't know if naabot sila karon, I want to thank you guys for helping me is my academic battle. To my friend, to my very best friend, Janelle, thank you so much for making me enjoy my life while still pushing me to achieve my goals. To my family, Ian Dark Compound, thank you for sheltering me with genuine love. Kahit saba kayo mo, chaotic kayo, it still showed me the genuine Filipino family love. You are the best family I could ever have. And to my ama, balag ka ng senior citizen lang ka, you still never give up on us. Balag sabong kayo mong mga apo, you still supported us. And to my brother, who's not here, tungod kay na siya sa summer, nag-college. Hi bro, I miss you so much. Thank you for helping me survive mentally. And kanang every time na ako'y problem, one call away ra ka sa ako, mag-video call ra ka, iniinon ni mo sa ako, say dapat mo haton. To my papa, who's also not here, bahala pag tanan ako recognition or graduation, wala ka. I know you are proud of me. And lastly, to the best woman in my life, to my mama, wakes up at 2:30 a.m. 6 days a week without complaints. Yes, 2:30 in the morning, every single day. Only Sunday or siya mumatangad dugay. Just quietly getting ready to work to give me the best life possibly could. Na every time na siya sweldo, iyang i-prioritize ako ang need. Bahala pag naguban niya ang sapatos, mingon na siya nga, unsa ako ang ganahan. Palit na siya sandal sa ako Mama, thank you for everything. For sacrificing your wants for our needs. For giving me the chance to study. For giving me the chance to lock in my room to focus on my study. Mingon ra ka, if na ako'y exam pa ka, mag-ask ka, unsa akong need. And naro ko sa akong room, dili ko nimo subuon. Just for me to study on my exam. No more MK anymore. And Ma, Karingo medal, this is for you. My achievement is also your achievement, as much as it is mine. Wait, wala pa guys. To everyone who's still finding their way, this is the proof that it is okay to take your time to get here. As we close this chapter and step into the new beginning, let's bring with us not just our lessons, but our compassion. Let's remember that everyone walks in the same pace, but everyone is fighting their own battle. And if we can be anything in this world, please let's be kind to everyone. Kinapo sila'y tinatago ng mga battle na para sa ito, Once again, this is Rian Cassini Italia, your class valedictorian, and with all the heart, to God be all the glory.
Thank you, Rian, for your short message. Anyway, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate our class top 1, Rian Christine Tellier. She could have spoken in straight English. She's top 1. She could do that. Pwede siya mag-straight English, but she chose to speak in words na all of us can relate. She chose to speak in vernacular na all of us could understand. For that, let's give her a round of applause once again. Yeah.